tomorrow, including on the lee side of the Santa Anas and also the Santa Clarita Valley. But you can see the wind coming from our deserts as opposed to the
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Space, but with pets running around, kids bringing in germs from school, plus just the everyday dust and allergens, there are so many pollutants that affect the air we breathe. So here's your solution. This is